Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to upload guys how can we set guys swipe lock and how to use guys Tecno phone swipe lock setting guys. You can see guys now guys when we off our phone okay, when we on, so when your screen on direct, so when you want to set guys your swipe lock setting guys, so how to set and how to use today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of settings. So friends, you can see your search bar guys, will click on the screen lock guys. Once you can see screen lock guys, security setting guys, tap here and scroll it. Once you can see screen lock and once you can see your phone slide to unlock guys, tap here to set. Then guys come back. Then how to use, you can see guys, we will off our screen and we will on. So when your screen will not on automatic guys, you will have to swipe to unlock your phone. So like that guy we can set swipe lock and guys we can use in Technophone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to set swipe lock and how to use it in Technophone. So bye guys.